Hi there, Anthony here with GigaParts. I have 3D printers coming out of my ears. Not literally, metaphorically. I have the Ender 3 V2. Come on down to GigaParts. Why? Because we have this beauty, the Ender 3 V2 coming out of our ears. I've got so many of these things, I'm gonna go insane. All laughing, all joking aside, this Saturday, this thing is going to be on sale, and this Saturday alone. That's right, Saturday here at GigaParts. Come on down. 20% off the Ender 3 V2 and 20% off of any filament that you purchase along with it. That is insane. In the membrane. Insane in the brain. So if you've been looking for a 3D printer to give that special someone in your life, your wife, your husband, maybe you've got a bar mitzvah coming up. So remember, Saturday here at GigaParts. 20% off the Ender 3 V2 and any filament you purchase along with it. GigaParts is located at 1426B Paramount Drive, just past Providence on 72, headed west. 3D printers. Saturday, and only this Saturday.